French fries, crispy, golden, and loved worldwide. But where did these delicious potato sticks actually come from, and how are they made? The answer may surprise you. Many believe the story of French fries begins in Belgium during the late 1600s. Legend has it that villagers near the Meuse River used to fry small fish they caught for meals. But when the river froze in winter, they turned to potatoes, slicing them thin and frying them as a substitute. Meanwhile, across the border in France, fries became a popular street food during the 18th century. Vendors sold them on the bridges of Paris, and they quickly became a favorite snack, especially during the French Revolution. The story takes a turn when French fries make their way to America. Some say Thomas Jefferson, who encountered fried potatoes in France, introduced them to the US after serving them at the White House in 1802. But it wasn't until the 20th century that French fries exploded in popularity, thanks to the rise of fast food. Chains like McDonald's turned fries into a global phenomenon, perfecting their size, crispness, and flavor to make them irresistible. Today, fries come in endless variations, from thick steak fries to shoestring, curly, and even loaded fries. Whether topped with cheese, dunked in ketchup, or seasoned with spices, they've become a universal comfort food. So how are they made? Let's dive in and take a look at how this popular snack is made. The first step in making frozen French fries involves mechanically harvesting top-quality potatoes, ensuring precision and efficiency throughout the process. These specialized machines gently remove the potatoes from the soil, minimizing any damage. After harvesting, the potatoes are transported to the factory, where they undergo a thorough roller process. In this process, small rocks, soil, and leaves are removed, leaving the potatoes thoroughly clean and pristine. After this stage, we come across a sorting device that classifies the potatoes according to their size. The machine consists of multiple layers of vibrating grids, where the shaking motion directs the smaller potatoes through the grid gaps, separating them from the larger ones. Larger potatoes are reserved for traditional strip-shaped fries, while smaller ones are cut into cubes or crafted into unique rings. Once sorted, the potatoes enter a large steaming chamber, following about tens of seconds of exposure to pressurized steam. The potato skins soften enough to be easily removed with minimal force, a task efficiently executed by the specialized machine known as the peeler. After emerging from the peeler, the potatoes pass through a washing station to be cleaned with water. Next, workers meticulously inspect the potatoes, discarding any with green or spoiled areas, as well as removing any remaining pieces of skin adhering to them. There are two methods, for one utilizes a hydraulic system where running water propels the potatoes against cutting blades, while the other employs a series of rotary mechanical slices. Now, a high-tech quality check takes place as each piece passes by a camera, where a computer meticulously analyzes its size and color. Any fry that fails to meet quality standards are quickly detected, flagged, and removed from production using a precise air jet. Next, the potatoes are introduced into the fryer, where they undergo cooking for about 2 minutes in non-hydrogenated vegetable oil. After leaving the fryer, any extra oil from the French fries drains through perforations in the conveyor belt into a collection pan below. While the fries continue their journey, the fries progress through the freezing area kept at temperatures between -15 to -25 degrees Celsius. It typically takes about 10 minutes for the fries to freeze entirely before packaging. And there you have it, the journey of how fries go from farm to fryer to your plate. From selecting the perfect potatoes to the sizzling golden finish, it's a process filled with precision and care. Thanks for watching another episode of Behind the Make. See you in the next video.